It has to do with the previous element. Anticipate negotiation, don't back down on the important stuff, you know. Be confident about what is the heart of your business, what you think is important, whether it's with investors or in a joint venture situation. Make a list of important things and stick with that in the negotiations. Lawyers talk to lawyers, which I think is a really important one. When they bring a lawyer, you immediately stop the meeting and say, oh, wait a minute, then I have to bring a lawyer as well. It's a bit of an, you know, I was brought up in an American law firm, so it's a bit of an American statement. In the Netherlands, people feel confident to talk to lawyers themselves. It's not a wise thing. I really strongly advise you, you might not imagine the situation right now in the phases you are in, but if you are in a situation, whether it's a commercial situation or an investor comes along, and they bring a lawyer, you just tell the other party, let's stop the meeting right here. I have to find a lawyer, I have to call my lawyer, and we'll renegotiate again. Because if the lawyer is in the room and you are dealing with them, you'll probably make mistakes that will cost you money or your company. It just happens. I saw it happening. I once was on the other side doing these type of deals where basically we were stealing from entrepreneurs which didn't seek the protection from their lawyers. It happened. It's not a beautiful thing. That's why they call lawyers sharks. Okay? Remember this one. Do it yourself is not a good idea. This is the Google area. So everyone, you know, if I'm starting a company, look at the competition, what kind of general conditions do they have, we are copying it, you know, put your name on top of it. Many mistakes happen. I saw general conditions of American competitors being copied into a Dutch situation. It's ridiculous. There was even still American law applicable. You know, I saw that in the web store. That is the worst do-it-yourself you can imagine. I can understand that you try this, that you try to be creative, that you try to be cheap on this element, but it's just not a good idea. And that will become apparent when somebody slaps you with a lawsuit. So do it yourself, please don't do it. Try to find good lawyers as cheap as possible. These were my